National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Mills County in southwestern Iowa until 7 p.m. At 6:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Hastings, or 14 miles west of Red Oak, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and hail up to 2 inches in diameter. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Emerson around 6:30 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Henderson. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following county: Mills, Iowa,